Hello, welcome to another episode of DIY Web Strategy Labs. And in today's lab, we're working on WordPress custom theme, and we're creating a 404 HTML page, 404.html. So this is a really quick, easy, and simple one. All I'm gonna do is come over here, add a template, .html, enter. I'm gonna paste the code that I have here, Control S, and just double check and make sure that I got everything. Seems good. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna come back over here. I'm gonna go to my templates, refresh. So now I'm on the templates page. I got my 404 there. It's already in. Let's save it. See what it looks like. It's not working. Did I set the permalinks yet? That might be the issue. Oh, those settings. No wonder. This is why oh my God. This is why it's been a pain in the ass for these last. Oh Lord, here we go. Looks good so far. That's our 404 page, and that's it. Done.